In this video, I will show you how to calculate percentage in Google Sheets, so let's get started with the video process. In this table, we have 3 columns. First column is the name, and the second column is the sales. The third column is the commission, which needs to be calculated at 10% of the sales. So let's do it with a formula in Google Sheet. Equals to, open parenthesis, B2, asterisk sign, 10, percentage sign, close parenthesis. And done, we have the commission calculated at 10% of sales for the first row. Similarly, we can calculate the percentage for each of the rows in this table. All we need to do is copy this first cell result and drag the cell across the column. And done, we have the percentage calculated at 10% of sales for the entire column. With this we are done with the percentage in Google Sheets. With this we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add more content.